In front of me is SONY Xperia X Performance, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. So let's start with first one, which is *## 07#. And as you can see, this one allows you to open all certificates assigned to your SONY Xperia. Here you've got it. You can smoothly scroll down and you've got all certificates which are connected to your SONY Xperia X Performance, and then smoothly tap on the back button to go back to previous window. And a very similar code will be provided as a second one, and it's *## 06#. And this one will provide you with unique number assigned to your Sony, which is IMEI number. So tap on OK to go back. Here you've got the number that describes your device. And the second code, the third code that I would like to show you is *## 225 ###. And as you can see, this one will provide you with calendar info. So right here you will find all events, all celebrations that you have saved in your device, and this is how you can smoothly reach them. You can smoothly enter this code and then be prepared to all upcoming events, and you will not forget about anything. You don't have to scroll down your phone and the calendar. Just enter this code and here it is. Let me go back then, and then let's enter *## 426 *##. And here we've got the diagnostic mode, so we've got events and status here, and you can smoothly scroll down to check status and also events, and to reach some further details tap on more icon and select advanced view. Here it is. And that's it. Let's go back. And another code that you can use is *## 426 *##. And here let's enter it again. 4636 *##. So the code was I mistyped it and also misspelled it. It's *## 4636 *##. Obviously 426 was previously shown, so just enter this one, and here you can check phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi details. Under phone information you will find, for example, IMEI number, phone number, current network signal strength, voice service, data service, and so on. You can also run a ping test here. Smoothly click on it, and below you've got the results. And let's go back. Then under user statistics, you've got the detailed information regarding your app. So here you've got the name of app, then last time used, and also the whole user's time. And lastly, you can reach Wi-Fi information, so you can check Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. To reach each of them, obviously you just need to click on particular tab, and here you've got disabled networks, disconnected networks, enabled networks, configured networks, and also the whole connection info. Then under Wi-Fi configuration you've got all currently configured networks, and then under Wi-Fi status, just refresh it to see, you've got Wi-Fi state, network state, and so on. You can also run a ping test here. Just click on run ping test, and below you've got the info. So this is it. Let me go back, and that will be all. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.